Hi, everybody, and welcome to Shalom Shabbat. This is the time when we get together to say Shalom, hello, to Shabbat, our holiday that we get to have every week and that starts on Friday night. So let's start with our Shabbat song. Here we go. Bim bam, bim 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 bam, bim 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 bam, chiri biri biri bim bam, bim 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 bam. Bim, 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 bam. Shabbat shalom, hey, Shabbat shalom, hey, Shabbat, 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 Shabbat shalom. Shabbat shalom, hey, Shabbat shalom, hey, Shabbat, 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 Shabbat shalom. Shabbat, 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 Shalom. Shabbat, 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 Shalom. Shabbat, Shalom. Hey, Shabbat, Shalom. Hey, Shabbat, 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 Shalom. Bim, bam, bim, 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 bam. Bim, 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 bam. Chiri, biri, biri, bim, bam. Bim, 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 bam. Bim, 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 bam. Is everyone ready to sing our songs and say our prayers? You know, sometimes when it's time to get going in the morning, maybe you're all ready to go, but your parent or your grandparent or your babysitter isn't quite ready to go out the door yet. Maybe they're still drinking some coffee, or they're texting on their phone, and then what do you say to them? Come on, it's time to go, hurry up, let's get ready. Or maybe you're the one that's not quite ready to go yet. Maybe you don't have your shoes on, or you're refusing to get dressed at all. And then what does your parent or your grandparent or your babysitter say to you? Come on, it's time to go. Hurry up, let's get ready. Well, when we come to the synagogue to sing our songs and say our prayers, there's a blessing that asks if we're ready and says that we're ready to sing our songs and say our prayers. And that's the Baruch Hu. Ya la ya la la ya la 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 ya la la ya la ya la 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 Baruch Hu et Adonai HaMevorach HaMevorach Baruch Adonai HaMevorach Le'olam, Le'olam Va'ed. Praise Adonai, to whom all praise is due. Praise Adonai, to whom all praise is due. Praise Adonai, to whom all praise is due, now and forever. Ya la ya la la, ya la 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 ya la la, ya la ya la 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 la. Well, you know, a long, long time ago, just when God was getting ready to start making the whole world, it was all dark, and God said, I'd better turn on some lights. And God said, let there be light, yehi or. And there was light, vayehi or. And that was the very first thing that God made. And the last thing that God made was us, grown-ups and children. And God looked and saw that it was very good. When God made the world, God made it full of light. The sun to shine by day, the moon and stars at night. God made it full of life. Lilies, oaks, and trout, tigers and bears, sparrows, hawks. Are you ready to be a monkey? And apes. And God took clay from earth's four corners to give it the breath of life. And God said, this is very good. This is very, very good. Man, woman, and child, all are good. Man, woman, and child resemble God. Can you find your ozen? Your oznaim? What are those? What are they? Are those our ears? They are. They're our ears. And what do we do with them? What do we do with our ears? We listen with them. We hear with them. And that's why when the Torah wants to tell us something very important, it says, listen, Israel, Shema Yisrael. And what is it that the Torah wants to tell us that's so important? Can you hold up your just one finger? The Torah wants to tell us that there's just one God, Adonai Echad. So let's find our ozen again and Shema. Shema Yisrael, Adonai Eloheinu, Adonai Echad. 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 Well, one way that we can show our parents and our grandparents and our babysitters that we love them is by giving hugs and kisses. But sometimes it's not a good time to give hugs and kisses. And maybe we don't feel like giving hugs and kisses. Or maybe we're sick and we don't want to give other people sickness by hugging and kissing them. And also we can't give God a big hug and kiss, so we show that we love God in another way that we can show our parents and our grandparents and our babysitters that we love them. And that's by doing things that they teach us to live a good life. And what God teaches us is in the Torah, the mitzvot. Yai, lai, yai, lai, 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 yai, lai, 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 lai. Yai, lai, 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 yai, lai, lai, yai, lai, lai, lai. Yai, lai, 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 lai. Yai, lai, 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 lai. Ve'ahavta et Adonai Elohecha bechol levavcha u'chol nafshecha u'bechol meodecha. Yai, lai, yai, lai, lai, lai. Yai, lai, 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 lai. Yai, lai, 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 lai. Yai, lai, lai, yai, lai, lai, lai. Yai, lai, 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 lai. Yai, lai, 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 lai. Well, even before Moses took us to Mount Sinai and God gave us the Torah and reminded us that there's just one God, we were slaves to mean old Pharaoh in the land of Egypt, in the land of Mitzrayim. And Pharaoh would make us use big hammers to break up boulders into gravel and shovels to dig holes to build cities for Pharaoh. Can you get your hammers ready to bang? Here we go. Bang, 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 swing your hammers low. Bang, 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 give a heavy blow. 'Cause it's work, 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 every day and every night. Yes, it's work, 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 when it's dark and when it's light. Now we're gonna dig with our shovels. Dig, 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 dig your shovels deep. Dig, 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 there's no time to sleep. 'Cause it's work, 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 every day and every night. Yes, it's work, 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 when it's dark and when it's light. All that working. That is so tiring. Are you tired now? Well, you know what? God heard the children of Israel crying in Mitzrayim, in Egypt. And God sent Moses and Miriam and Aaron to bring them out to the promised land. They crossed the sea on dry ground. And when they got to the other side, they were so happy to be safe and free that they started to sing and dance. Yap-ba-ba-bim-bim-bum, yap-ba-ba-bim-bum, yap-ba-ba-bim-bim-bum, yap-ba-ba-bim-bum. Ay, 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 yap-ba-ba-bim-bum. Ay, 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 yap-ba-ba-bim-bum. Mi chamocha ba'elim Adonai, mi chamocha nedar b'kodesh, Norati loro se felle, Norati loro se felle. Yabba ba bim bim bam, yabba ba ba bim bam, yabba ba bim bim bam, yabba ba ba bim bam. Ay 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 ay, yabba ba ba bim bam. Ay 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 ay, yabba ba ba bim bam. Well, before our people were even in Egypt, there were the first families of the Jewish people: Abraham and Sarah, Rebekah and Isaac, Rachel and Jacob and Leah. We praise you, Adonai our God, Adonai our God, God of Abraham, God of Abraham, God of Isaac, God of Isaac, God of Jacob, God of Jacob, God of all generations, to uphold the fallen, to heal the sick, to free the captive, to comfort all who suffer pain. We praise you, Adonai our God, Adonai our God, God of Sarah, God of Sarah, God of Rebekah, God of Rebekah, God of Rachel, God of Rachel, God of Leah, God of Leah, God of all generations. Blessed is Adonai, shield of Abraham. Blessed is Adonai, creator of life. Blessed is Adonai, shield of Abraham. Blessed is Adonai, creator of life. Do you know that there are 7 days in the week? Let's count to 7 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 days in the week. And the 7th day is our Shabbat, our special day for resting and relaxing and talking to God. And that's because the Torah tells us that God made the whole world in just 6 days. And on the 7th day, God rested. And so we rest too. And it's our special day for resting and relaxing and talking to God. So your part goes like this. Bam bam, ba-dam, ba-dam, bam, bam, bam. Ba-dam, ba-dam, bam, bam, bam. Ba-dam, ba-dam, bam, bam, bam. Ba-dam, ba-dam, bam, bam. Yismechu, yismechu, v'malechutecha, ba-dam, bam, bam. Yismechu, yismechu, v'malechutecha, ba-dam, bam, bam. Shomrei, shomrei Shabbat, v'korei oneg Shabbat. Shomrei, shomrei Shabbat, v'korei oneg Shabbat, bam, bam. Ba-dam, ba-dam, bam, bam, bam. Ba-dam, ba-dam, bam, bam, bam. Ba-dam, ba-dam, bam, bam, bam. When we say hello to people, what's a Jewish way that we can say hello to them? Shalom. We can say shalom when we want to say hello. Shalom, hello. Shalom, hello. We can use shalom when we want to say hello. But we can also use shalom when we want to say goodbye. Shalom, bye-bye. Shalom, hello. We can use shalom to say hello or goodbye because shalom always means peace. And we wish people peace when they're coming and when they're going. Sim, 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 shalom, sim, 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 shalom, sim, 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 shalom, tova uveracha. Ya la 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 la, ya la la, ya la 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 la, ya la la, ya la 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 la, ya la la, ya la la, ya la la la. Give, give, give us peace. Give us peace. Give us peace and goodness and blessing. Shall we do David Melech Yisrael? Let me move a little bit so that you can see it better. Ready? We're going to go faster, faster, faster. Oh, hang on. There we go. We're going to go faster, faster, faster. You ready? Here we go. David Melech Yisrael, Chai, Chai, V'kayam. 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 Whoo! We're not going to do Shabbat blessings today. I think maybe I'll try to make a separate recording with Shabbat blessings, but I hope that this gives you a way to have some Shalom Shabbat at home. I miss you, and I hope to see you again soon.